Make a great choice today with the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, running boards, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, clock, trip odometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.